Right now, NASA is spending millions of dollars trying to understand something you did last night. Sleep. Because in space, getting bad sleep isn't just annoying. It can become deadly. And, weirdly, astronauts and exhausted office workers might have more in common than you think. Your sleep controls your memory, your emotions, your immune system, even your ability to survive. And every single night, your brain secretly rebuilds itself while you're unconscious. So when NASA studies astronaut sleep, they're also studying yours. Sleeping in space sounds cool, until you realize there's no up, no down, and your body completely freaks out. On the International Space Station, astronauts see around 16 sunrises every single day. Imagine trying to sleep while your brain keeps thinking it's morning every 90 minutes. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, and NASA discovered that space can completely confuse it. When astronauts get tired, reaction times slow down, mistakes increase, and tiny problems become dangerous fast. Because sleep isn't just rest. It's actually a full maintenance cycle for your brain. While you sleep, your brain literally washes itself with fluid. It organizes memories, deletes useless information, and strengthens important connections. Your immune system also uses sleep like a charging station, so getting only a few hours of sleep can affect your body almost like being sick. That's why NASA monitors astronauts' sleep extremely carefully. They track brain waves, breathing movement, even dreams. They've studied hormones like melatonin, and even built special lighting systems to trick the brain into feeling normal in space. Because without natural mornings and nights, humans start losing track of time. And when sleep quality drops, brain performance drops too. In emergencies, even 1 second of delayed reaction time can matter, especially when you're floating hundreds of kilometers above Earth. And scientists are even studying how dreams change in space. But here's the strange part. Modern life is starting to confuse our brains, almost like space does. Your phone's blue light can trick your brain into thinking it's daytime, which means your body delays sleep even when you're exhausted. And when sleep disappears, memory, focus, and emotional control start breaking down. That's why one good night of sleep can completely change your productivity. A student, an athlete, a gamer, and an astronaut all rely on the exact same biological system. And future Mars missions will make this problem even harder, because astronauts could spend months trapped inside spacecraft. So NASA is already designing futuristic sleep systems powered by AI. Rooms that simulate sunsets, sunrises, even perfect Earth-like days. Because if humans ever live on Mars, sleep could become one of our most important survival tools. In a strange way, the future of humanity in space may depend on whether we can get enough rest. And maybe that's why sleep feels so universal. Whether you're an astronaut floating above Earth or a kid asleep in bed, your brain spends the night repairing, protecting, and preparing you for tomorrow. So the next time you stay awake too late, remember, even NASA knows your brain works better when you sleep. Because your brain isn't just an organ, it's basically a biological spaceship. How much sleep did you get?